Hi, this is Sarah with Grace Company, and today we're going to review how to replace your bobbin winder. For this video, you're going to need a 3mm Allen wrench. The first thing we want to do is make sure that the machine is off. Because the bobbin winder has cabling, we don't want to mess with any cables while the machine is on. So first, turn it off. Next, take your 3mm Allen wrench and unscrew the screw on top. Keep this screw in a special place. Then we will remove the bobbin winder. Once you remove your bobbin winder, you'll notice these cables underneath. We do want to make sure that these cables are plugged into the same spot once we remove them. To do that, you can take your new bobbin winder and just remove one cable at a time. Once the cables are plugged in, then we just replace the bobbin winder. Using your 3mm, go ahead and screw it back in. Go ahead and turn your machine on, and then we'll want to test the bobbin winder. If your bobbin winder starts spinning as soon as your machine is turned on and it doesn't stop, this means that the cabling is backwards and we just need to switch them. If you have any questions or any issues with your bobbin winder, please contact our Grace Company tech support.